Look at the size of that group right there. That is freaking awesome. PG, these guys are good for you. That is so...
We haven't really talked about it. All we do is walk around it now. I hate to say I've thought about it. I wish that we could make this work somehow. It's not really complicated. I can hear it when you sigh. Comes a time we have to face it. Maybe it's just time to say goodbye. Lately I can feel us drifting, even though the good outweighs the bad. It feels like our world is shifting, and yet you are the best I've ever